Hello everyone. I am Dr. P.S. Sudhakar, Professor and HOD Surgery, Maharaja Institute of Homeopathic Sciences, Nellimarla, Vijayanagaram District. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are doing well. Today we will dive into the important topic sunstroke. Namaste and welcome to your trusted source for natural healing. As the very hot sun beats down this summer, sunstroke, it is more than just a heat issue. It is a silent danger that can turn fatal if
ఏంటిది
ignored. In this video, we will cover what exactly is sunstroke, how to prevent it effectively, life-saving tips during an attack, and most importantly, how homeopathy offers fast, gentle, and permanent relief. Stay till the end. We are also sharing 5 essential remedies that should always be in your summer kit. Let's begin. What is sunstroke? Sunstroke or heat stroke is the body's failure to regulate temperature due to prolonged exposure to heat. It is not just fatigue, it is an emergency. Common symptoms include high body temperature, hot, dry skin, headache, dizziness, confusion, nausea, or even unconsciousness. It can affect anyone, especially children, elderly, laborers, or athletes exposed to the sun. Prevention. Prevention is better than cure. Here, how to protect yourself. Wear light colored, loose cotton clothing. Avoid direct sun between 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. Hydrate frequently. Prefer water, lemon sherbet or coconut water. Eat juicy fruits like watermelon, cucumber. Stay under shade and avoid strenuous outdoor activities in peak heat. If someone shows signs of sunstroke,
5 నిమిషాలు
move them to a cool place immediately. Loosen the clothing. Apply cool water to the body. Give sips of water only if conscious. Seek medical attention urgently. But here is where homeopathy can act fast and safe. Let us talk remedies. Homeopathic treatment. Guaninum,
ఒక 5 నిమిషాలు
the heat remedy. When there is intense throbbing headache, face flushed, cannot tolerate heat. Think about guaninum. Next one is belladonna for sudden violent symptoms. Red face, dilated pupils, high fever without sweating. Very useful in early stages. Next one is natrum muriaticum for chronic sun headaches or those who faint easily in sun. Particularly useful in people who are emotionally sensitive and get easily affected by heat. Next one is gelsemium. If the person becomes dull, dizzy, with heavy eyelids and general weakness after sun exposure. Next, carbobis. For collapsed states, cold limbs, gasping, nearly unconscious. So in extreme prostration, this remedy revives the spark of life. Bonus tip: keep electrolytes plus guaninum 30C in your first aid kit always. Dosage: if emergencies, remedies like guaninum 30C can be given every 15 to 30 minutes till improvement begins. but always consult a qualified homeopathic doctor for follow-up. Final tips and conclusion. Don't wait for sunstroke to happen. Prevent it with hydration and smart habits. Keep a few remedies like gloninum and belladonna handy. Homeopathy doesn't just suppress, it harmonizes your body with nature. Like this video, share it with your family and friends. Let's keep everyone safe in this summer. Don't forget to subscribe for more natural health wisdom. Until next time, stay cool and stay healthy. Thank you.